Hey scholars, check it out. This is Mr. Whitney coming to you live. Now, the College Compass is a document where you need to look at your goal setting, your grades, your GPA, your attendance, to look at your path and to help fortify your path should you choose to go to a four-year university. You want to keep your options open. So that's why we're having you do this exercise. Now, to access your information on Otus, each teacher will put a link for you. When you click on that link, depending on how they've done it, after you click it, it should take you to this screen. Here, what you'll need to do is click on those four magical boxes. And then next, you'll have to enter your single sign-on. And then after entering your single sign-on, you will be magically transported into Clever. Now, very important, you'll see a purple box that says Otus. See that right there? Click on that. And then you'll be taken to this screen. Now, don't enter your information again up here. What you're going to want to do is click those four magical Microsoft boxes again. And after that, you will be signed on to here. Now, congratulations, you're inside Otus. And within Otus, what you're going to find is what you need. Once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on to reports. And you would have found reports on that sidebar. And then that sidebar will bring up your classes, but it will also bring up that data that you need to execute this College Compass. There'll be an attendance portion, and there'll also, if you scroll down, be a portion that will highlight your GPA. Those are the two things you want to get from Otus that you want to put in your College Compass document. Your class grades you'll get from Schoology. Just go course to course and then enter those and then use the GPA counter. And that's it.